Have you ever craved for a very delicious, crunchy and tasty egg roll? If you have, this is the right place for you. You know that moment when you have a chill drink and you want a nice snacks to go with it. Oh, that feeling. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming to my channel, you are welcome to the family. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, and also write on the comment section on how you love your egg roll. Do you like it baked or you like it fried? Okay, you guys will be wondering, why is she smiling and producing? Yes, I posted one of my video on how to cook fried rice, so I was busy concentrating cooking my fried rice, and someone wrote on my comment section saying, why are you not smiling cooking? You're supposed to be smiling so that we know you're enjoying what you are cooking. I was like, oh wow, okay, in the next video I'm going to be smiling all through. That is why I'm smiling. So better smile while cooking. That shows us that you enjoy cooking, you enjoy what you are doing. The ingredients I use will be on the description box, so check it out so you know the measurement of getting the perfect crunchy egg roll. In putting in your egg roll into your dough, there are two methods I use. First, I'm going to roll the dough into a ball, like make it neat as if I'm going to do a donut. Then after rolling it to a ball, I cannot press it down on my table or on your palms. Make sure your palms is floored, like there is flour on your palm, so it will not be sticky. Then I'll put in my egg roll and press it in. Ensure the egg is well covered with the dough, making sure there are no loopholes. I'm using my palm to roll the dough so that the whole body is well covered up. You can also roll it on your table. Anyone that works for you is fine. Then set it aside for frying. If my first method is a long process for you, you can do this method. Cut out the dough, press it on the table, make sure the table is floored or on your palms, then put in your egg, fold it neatly by rolling it on the table or with your palms to ensure the whole body is covered. I'm going to check whether the oil is now hot by putting a small dough inside the oil. If the dough rises in seconds, then the oil is good to go. I'm going to fry this in a medium heat. Don't use high heat, because if you do, the inside will not get done. And don't use low heat because it will soak up your oil. So just use medium heat and it will give you the perfect egg roll, crunchy egg roll that you need. Are you seeing how beautiful this egg roll is? This is what I call a very crunchy, tasty egg roll.